I know you guys want to start with new technology, Cypress, right? But you don't know how to download software and which softwares are required for Cypress, right? So don't worry, I'm here to help you with step-by-step process to download and installation for Cypress, okay? So stay tuned till the end. First and foremost, please check system requirements, okay? I'm hoping your system, either your laptop or desktop, matches the requirement for installation. Okay, I will show you the system requirement on Cypress website. So let's search on browser for Cypress. We'll go to the cypress.io, then we'll click on docs and installing Cypress link. Then once it is opened, scroll down till system requirements. Then as per your machine, either it's Mac, Windows or Linux, as mentioned the system requirements. Okay, so if you are using Windows, it should be Windows 7 and above. Fine, till now are we good? Okay, so let's proceed further. Now second point, we need to install node.js. Let's just download and install node.js. We'll simply go to browser and search for node.js download. It will open multiple results, right? So click on first link, download node.js, and then once you click on the link, it will open the download page. And as we are using Windows machine, we'll choose Windows installer. You can choose as per your machine if you are not using Windows. Okay, so once it is downloaded, double click on .msi file. Node.js setup pop-up window will open. Then click on next and accept the license agreement, and then click on next, select the path, then next, then again next. Let it be by default. We'll keep on clicking on next until it gets installed. Okay, once it is completed, we'll click on finish. Okay, so we are done with point number 1, system requirement, and point number 2, node.js installation. So now we need to have IDE for scripting, right? For Cypress, we will download VS Code and install it. So you can choose any of either Eclipse, JetBrains. Okay, so for downloading VS Code, we'll go to browser again and we'll search for Visual Studio Code, and then click on download link. It will land you to official website for download, right? So I'm using Windows machine, so I'll click on Windows to download VS Code. Once downloaded, click on file and start installation process. Accept the license and click on next, then select the path, then next. So you just keep all the things by default. We'll just keep on clicking on next button until it gets installed. Okay, so once installation is done, you will be able to see Visual Code in your machine. Okay, so now we have covered all 3 points, right? In the next video, I'll show you how to install Cypress. Till then, bye and enjoy. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Hit that subscribe button and like the video if you find this helpful. Consider sharing it with your friends who might be interested. Thank you.